Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use your child lock system on your Audi A4 or S4 Avant. You can have the child locks disable function that the rear windows and to prevent the rear doors from being opened from the inside, from the interior side. There are of course two possibilities. Maybe you haven't button for lock or unlock the windows in the rear area, and this is easy to choose from. With the child lock window stop button, we can activate and deactivate the electric window switches on the rear doors. We press the child lock button on the driver's door with the windows, and the LED and the button will light up or it will go out. So you can choose it on or off as you need it. To activate and deactivate the indoor door handle, in addition, we open the corresponding rear door and use the emergency key to turn the key up erase switch in the direction of the clockwise position, of course. The child locks is so controllable from the front side at the driver's side. If your car have this, of course, maybe there is an option with unlock or dislock the window function, and it can be on your car that there are two little buttons on this side of the driver's side. You can switch it on and off, right or left, independently. And of course, there is a possibility that you can make this manually on the door itself. So let's have a walk to the corresponding child lock possibility back side doors. And there on the open door, you will see such an option to switch on and switch off the child lock function manually by using your emergency key, for example, or a flat screwdriver. On the one side, you can lock the door completely by switch off the lock system, but you cannot then use this to open again the door. That's important to know, of course, because you cannot open the door from the inside anymore. So let's check this, because we now enable the child lock function. But of course you can open the door from the outer side. That's possible. You can see it does not work anymore. So your vehicle now is in child lock mode. I cannot choose or use the door knob, and I cannot use the automatic window function as well. If you like to disable the function again, of course you can use it on the front side as shown, or directly on the door. Now we can deactivate the interior door handle. Additionally, we open the corresponding rear door and use the emergency key to turn the key up erased switch in the other side to unlock the system again. Really cool. And now you can see we can have a seat and the door will be open again. Job's done. Child lock is disabled or child lock is enabled on your car. Thanks for watching. Hey, please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.